Well, this has been a journey. I've been doing my hair all day. I started at 10:15 and it's now 3:15. This better look bloody beautiful, I'm telling you. So when I come back, I'll be stunning. Alright, let's not get carried away. When I come back, my hair might not be grey anymore. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Again. If you're onto the third series of trying to dye my hair pink, you'll have realised that we'll give up on that and we're now going to dye my hair purple. Allegedly. So, as the title says, I'm going to try and go for the Schwarzkopf Purple Punk. So that's where we're at. If you want to see how I got to this colour, watch the video before. So we bleached it and then we put on carnation pink, and it's just not. I mean, this is almost orange. Although it looks pink, it's just nearly orange. I'm going to see if I can take a picture on my phone just to show you. So I've got a permanent dye for the roots, which I'm going to use to cover my grey. So that is the Midnight Rose 5mr, the Guy Tang. This, I've never used the semi-permanent purple one, so this will be a new thing. And I don't know whether two will be enough, to be honest, but we'll try. So you don't only get in this box is the semi-permanent cream itself and two colour things. You don't get gloves either. So I've split my hair into two just so I can sort of keep an eye on where I am with how much I need to use. I'm going to put this into a mixing bowl. So this is Purple Punk 094. Looks lush. But I'm going to get some gloves. Right, I've got the gloves, so I'm going to split that into two. So we've got the purple in there, so what I'm going to do is, actually we might use the brush. And I know I've got half for this section and half for the back section. This is the best way to try and, well, it's the best way where I find trying to work out. Well, this has been a journey. Alright, now let's get the back bit. I think I definitely could have done with 3 of these. And if I was doing my whole head, I would definitely need 3. I would prefer it more saturated than what it is, but it is what it is. We might still get some of the pink coming through, but that's okay. Right, that's one side done. Like I say, I would have liked more purple, but never mind. Wish there was an easy way to get that out of the tube. My memory card ran out, so I managed to get all the purple on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with the permanent Midnight Rose. So the ratio for this is 1:1, so I'm going to put the whole tube in. It's supposed to be 58 grams, but I'm going to only get 50 grams out. And then I'm going in with 20 developer, the same amount. I've been doing my hair all day. I started at 10:15 and it's now 3:15. And whatever it turns out like is how it's going to stay, because I've had enough. So this is really just to cover my grey. Right, so I'm going to go in with this. It's hard to do the back. And then it's like all matted because it's stuck. I'm not too worried about this colour because, like I say, all I want to do is cover my greys, and I'm not that grey. I'm just going to try and bring it down so it blends into. I kind of wear my hair the same style, so I know this bit's going to go over it anyway. So it's the back when you can't see it though. It's not until you're sitting at work and somebody goes, "What's that in the back of your head?" Like my colleague did. And that was when I realised I had like a whole chunk missing of where I didn't put the dye, but never mind. This better look bloody beautiful, I'm telling you. I'm just more worried about the places that people are actually going to see, like my carton. Like nobody really sees under here, so I'm not that bothered. So I'm going to leave that for 30 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes. And that's starting now.
Again, I don't know how anybody can do it and not get it all over them. So when I come back, I'll be stunning. Alright, let's not get carried away. When I come back, my hair might not be grey anymore. Right, so I'll see you later. Well, I'm back, it's the next day, and as you can see, the light's not as good today, like, but as you can see, it has gone, well, I don't think it's gone purple much, but it's got a really lovely colour, I'm happy with it. I'll just see if I'm going to see if I can get you a picture of it in a better light. I'll show you the back. But one thing's for sure, it's covered me greys, which was the most important thing. That was the most important thing, to get these greys covered. It's horrible going grey. It comes to us all. But anyway, having the permanent stuff on the top. So just to recap, so on the top I've got the Midnight Rose, the Guy Tang permanent Midnight Rose. On the ends what I did, well, we bleached this, then we'll put the Carnation Pink by, I don't know, Creations I want to say, but I think that's wrong. I'll put it here. So put that on, that didn't work. Then I put the Purple Punk. So I think it's the Purple Punk that's come through, but it has given it quite a nice, like, I'm quite pleased with the colour. And you can't really see where the permanent, because I only put the permanent colour sort of like here. And I don't think you can see where it kind of stops and then the semi-permanent starts. So I'm pleased with it. And compared to how my hair felt, you know, after I first bleached it and it just felt like a ball of fuzz and I looked like Hagrid. Well, I think it's really soft, really soft. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my husband to chop these ends off, these dead ends. I think that'll just take it straight off away from the back. Right, I've come back in the daylight. I don't know if you can see better, it's hard to tell. But I did have a little chop of my hair, so the ends of my hair are much healthier. So it just looks so much better, I think. The ends look dead in my hair. So you can see the colour, I'll show you that. This is the back. So you can kind of see the colour there it is here. It's more reddish. The ends are purpley. And like I say, they just look so much more healthy since I chopped the ends off. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this long awaited for hair dye video. Well, I've been long awaited for, I don't know if you have. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.